This is all London. That's the BT Tower.
They want undertake.
What?
They want undertake to come out and protesting London.
Yeah, they are?
Yeah. And I was what's the...
That's the Trafalgar Square.
Oh, stop.
Wait, that's the BT Tower. BT Tower, why? It's the tallest building.
Cinema. Look, I need maybe cinema.
Hey, man. Yeah? You can see that, guys. That's the underground train. Hey? Apa? Boys.
Stand clear of the door, please.